Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded. It is finally that time. I'm gonna reveal you the whole start to finish build of this shop. Complete makeover. We extended it out, 8 new flooring, workbench, cabinets, the works. So check it out. We're gonna jump right into the action of how it all started to where we are now. Make sure to stay to the end because you're not gonna wanna miss this reveal. Let's jump right into it. This is the original shop. Just a typical, 16 by 18 garage. And of course it's all in shambles right now because we blew out this wall. Well, we took out the sheetrock and all that nonsense, and basically this entire opening that you see here from here all the way over, the wall's gonna be gone and it's gonna blend into this new structure down here. We got about 90% of it done. Come straight off the house, blew it all the way out to here. We already finished up with the roof, metal roof. All the siding is done. Run some electrical in here, sheetrock everything, and then this thing will be good to go. All of this sheetrock, and I don't know what the hell is up with all this greenage. We didn't do the green, I promise you. But all of this is going to be all redone. So basically this immediate area is going to be just, the raw grinding, welding, building, motor dropping, tranny pulling, all that stuff. And that area is where we're going to keep like the finished product. Like we'll keep the truck here. We'll keep the truck in there. We'll have cabinets, parts, be more, all of this nonsense will be in there. So this area will be all completely open with just like a workbench and tools. More room for wrenching. and this is what it came out looking like. Look at that. Weren't shy on the decorations. The new flooring came out freaking awesome. We rearranged a few things. We got a really cool stand for the drill press. It's a rolling safe from an old bank. We got the bandsaw added, all new cabinetry across.
Really spectacular, spared no expense.
Custom workbench that we fabbed into this corner. We figured this was the best spot for it. Aluminum top, cool bunch of knickknacks and random stuff, and just in case kind of things. We got a curtain separation here because when we're gonna be in this room doing a bunch of body work, grinding stuff, we don't want stuff flying in. The resting place for the truck, and the flooring continues all the way through. We even got cool red molding that goes all the way throughout the shop. And we're gonna finish up the door molding. The door molding is gonna be red as well, just to continue off the red. Completely organized here, but all stainless, nuts, bolts, washers, lock washers, etc. All new cabinets, plenty of storage, all new LED lighting. We have it all throughout here as well. Definitely enough light. As you can see, we ripped down all the rafters and that false ceiling that was here. We opened it all up. Got a bunch of cool signs, pictures, license plates, and of course, custom made sign. So this is the shop. Very excited. We're gonna start building things. So actually, in the next video, doing a small little thing on my dad's SS454 truck. He has a little bit of paint issues on the roof in certain areas, and I'm gonna do a little walkthrough of how you can fix that with some vinyl wrap. And then after that, we're gonna tackle that 56 panel. That's gonna be a full build. It's gonna have new motor, transmission, paint, interior, the works, brakes, all that stuff. So that's gonna be a fun build. That's gonna be pretty much the first big build in this new and improved shop. And then once that's done, we're gonna jump on my 70 Camaro, and all that's gonna be on the channel, guys. So once again, I'm very excited about this new shop. We finally finished it. It took longer than we thought, cost more than we thought, but you know how that is. Don't set a budget because you always go over it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you dig the shop as much as I do, because now you're gonna see nothing but crazy builds and hot rods going on in here. So until then, I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.